Now, these pieces are hard to get a good photo of. You know, they're black. You can see that this one here, the back of it has been turned down, and this one still has all these gussets. So this was like one of these. I did two hubs like this. It's smaller in diameter. This one's bigger, and so I accidentally cut this one too small. This diameter is the size I wanted to fit into the second step of this wheel. It was going to fit. It was going to sit right on this little surface here. Okay. And so you can kind of see it in there. And then I decided, the one that I accidentally cut too small in diameter, I made this one to fit right against the face of the inside of the wheel. And it's a very close fit. It doesn't wiggle around at all. You can like push it down there and it's tight. So this one's good because I can glue it right to the face of the wheel. And then this area that got turned down, I keep talking about making a ring. It's really kind of like a donut, So the styrene ring will fit like inside the wheel up here on this bigger diameter, and it will also fit on this little hub. And so this styrene ring will support the back side of this hub that I machined from that set of RC wheels. So that's what I'm planning to do. This one here, that's the bigger size still, I'll just put it back in the lathe, turn it down, and I'll turn the hub down to the same size I have this one, so they're all the same. And then I can make some, like these styrene rings I'm talking about. And to make the styrene rings, they'll be 1/16 thick. I'll figure out the diameter I want, and then what I have to do is I'll make like a little center punch mark in it and draw the circle of what I need, and then I'll draw a equilateral triangle on the outside of the circle, and that's how I'm going to cut the pieces. And then I'm going to glue the styrene pieces together by the points of the triangle. That way I'm going to have a thick block of styrene. Then I can drill a hole in the middle. I can drill a hole in the middle. Well, actually, I can put that block in the 3-jaw chuck, because 3-jaw chuck, yeah, it'll hold a equilateral triangle perfectly in the jaws. And I can drill a hole. I can bore it to the size I need, because I don't think I have a drill that's that size. And even if I did, drills tend to cut a little bit on the big side sometimes. So that's what I'm planning to do with these wheels. So, that face is like tight against the inside of the kit wheel. And then it will be supported on the back. So it's, it'll be a really rugged hub, I'll call it, that I'm inserting into this kit wheel.